So let's go ahead and go into ways and see which fruits that the girls will remember the Tongan words from and which one we're going to end up buying.
Let's hope that we get all of them. I don't know.
All right, girls, so you guys ready to go get some fruits?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go. We're here at Ways because it's closer to us. So remember, what is grapes in Tongan? Kalepi. What is banana in Tongan? Is siaine. Siaine. If you don't know, you will know. Come on, Angela. Go faster. All right, let's go. Should we get a cart? Go get a cart. Hey, over there. Cart over there. Go grab a cart. Vave. Grab a cart. Vave. Vave, Angela. All right, let's go, girls. Keep going. Go, Nina. Okay, so let's go to the fruit section, okay, girls? All right, Suniva, what fruits do you want, Suniva? You want, what do you want? Look, so what do you want? Good job. So let's go hunt down for kalepi for Aunt Suniva. This is our fruits. Do you find kalepi? Oh, right over there. Let's go. All right, Suniva, here, ready to go. This is good. So what do you want, Neva? Good job. All right, so. All right, so Lohi got her grapes because she knows what kalepi is. And here is the mangoes. It's my favorite mango. Mango is mango in Tongan. So let's see if we can get some nice mangoes right here. They're not fully ripe as well. What do you want to get? Good job. Good job. Let's go look for siaine. Suniva, where's the siaine? Siaine? Go ask Angela. Oh, so we don't have any ripe bananas? This is perfect for what Daddy normally makes, right? This is perfect for round pancakes. Look for some good ones. They're overripe. These are overripe. All right, we can get that one.
What's next?
Angela. All right, any other fruits you guys want to get? And what do we have here, Angela? Apple. Good job, which is apples. What is that, girls?
Lemon.
Do you guys need lemon?
Yeah.
What is lemon in Tongan? Lemani.
Lemon.
Good job. All right. What is orange in Tongan?
Orange in Tongan is one.
Good job. It's molly. What is it, Nima?
Molly.
Good job.
Ooh, Mommy, I want some pears.
Okay. What is pears in Tongan?
Pears in Tongan is pear.
Good job. You can get it. What's that, Nima?
Can I get watermelon?
Okay. What is watermelon in Tongan? What is watermelon in Tongan?
Melon.
Good job. I guess we can get it. Okay, I didn't expect the girls to really know their fruits, but our girls also love making smoothie, so we're going to get some ice cream for them. I did taught them what ice cream is in Tongan, so let's see if they know it, and if they do, we're going to get them some ice cream. All right, girls, good job on your fruits today, but guess what? I have a surprise for you guys. We are going to get ice cream. However, you need to know what ice cream is in Tongan, and then I'll get you guys ice cream. Do you remember what ice cream is in Tongan?
Is it ice creamy?
What is it?
Ice creamy.
What is it, Neva?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good job, girls. All right, let's go ahead and get your ice cream.
Yay.
Go, walk nicely. We're going to look for ice cream, so I wonder what flavor they will get. Let us know in the comment below. What kind of flavor would you use for a smoothie? So let's see. What are you guys gonna get for? What flavor do we use for? All right, girls. So what ice cream are we gonna get? What's the flavor?
We're getting vanilla, but on the side of that, we're also getting chocolates.
Neva, okay. Neva, you want chocolate ice cream?
Okay.
All right, you guys, this is the end of our video. This is another fun way of how you can learn Tongan, at home with your families by going out shopping and learning it at the same time.
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. See you in our next video. Bye!